Hi everybody, Zach Bennett here. I wanted to highlight a tool being offered by Empowering.Cloud called the Operator Connect Provider Comparison Tool. This tool is available from the research section on the Empowering.Cloud website. The aim of this tool is to help organizations select an Operator Connect provider. I'm going to spend some time today talking through the report and what information is available. Firstly, on the home screen here, we see access to 4 reports. And also in the top right, we have the total operator provider count, which is currently 73, and the country count being offered by these 73 operators, which is currently 75. One recent change to these reports is Empowering.Cloud are now tracking all recent changes that are happening throughout the whole of the Operator Connect program. If we follow through to here, we can see the Operator Connect changes page. And we see a couple of different columns. First one being the providers changes. So this will track new providers being added or removed from the Operator Connect program. Here we can see we have a new provider called MTN. They are a calling provider. They are not a Teams Phone mobile provider, and the list of countries that they have gone live with. On the right hand side, we can see some country changes. So if providers are adding or removing countries from their coverage, that will all be tracked here. One thing to note, collection date for this information was the 20th of September 2023. So right now, anything before that date will not be within these changes. As well as this, they have 4 unique reports that we can look at. So we'll start with the bottom left report first of all. This is the Operator Connect provider coverage map that will list all providers that are available in the Operator Connect portal. So if you already have a provider in mind, you can come inside of here and click that provider itself. For example, let's click Colt. And what we'll see is the map will dynamically change and highlight all countries that are available for that particular operator. Next, we have, which I find the most helpful report. This is the coverage for your countries. So as an organization, you can come inside of here and collect all countries that make sense to you as an organization that you want to provide Operator Connect into. So for example, if I want to come in here and choose United States, I can do that. But one thing to also mention in here as well, where this report is better than what's available in the Teams Admin Center, is you can also do an AND. Whereas in the Team Admin Center, when clicking multiple countries, that will all do an OR select on those countries. So you will see all providers for both countries clicked. But in here, for example, if I choose the United States, I can see we see a large list of providers that have the United States as a country. But if I go through Hold Control and click the United Kingdom, I can see that provider list shorten even more. If I go ahead and choose Turkey, I can see that go even shorter. And then lastly, something like South Africa, for example, you can see there is one provider currently on the Operator Connect program that can offer Operator Connect across all 4 of these countries, that being LoopUp. Next, we have the ability to compare 2 operators side by side. So for example, I can come in here, I'll choose LoopUp again. And then, for example, choose another one of a high listed operator, someone like Pure IP, for example. And what we can see is here a list of the country counts and then a list of those countries that they're available to offer service in. And then below we see a dynamic map. So you can quickly see between the 2 countries, between the 2 operators, what countries are available over the other providers. Another report to show as well is the Operator Connect provider by count by country. So effectively what we can see on here is how many providers are available within that particular country. If I do a descending count on here, we can see the most popular countries for Operator Connect providers is actually Canada and the United States. So we can see there are 31 providers available throughout the whole of Canada and United States, Whereas if I wanted to see somewhere where the providers was less, somewhere like Dominican Republic, for example, there is only one provider that's able to do that. Or somewhere like Turkey, for example, there are only 3 providers that are able to do that as well. So that was an overview of the Operator Connect provider comparison tool. LoopUp are a proud sponsor of Empowering Cloud, and I would recommend anyone that's working around the Microsoft Teams or the modern workplace stack to make sure you head on over and join the community. You can find some briefings from some subject matter experts. There is access to a community or forum where you can chat and ask questions in, and also a wide range of tools that are constantly being updated by the Empowering Cloud team, similar to the Operator Connect one we spoke about today. Thank you.